Good morning, children. Welcome back to RV online class. So, in previous class, I explained you about the rotation. Means here, lesson number 3. In that, movements of the Earth. So, this lesson I told in previous class. I explained you. So, in that class, I explained about the rotation of the Earth. In now in this class, revolution, then seasons, then solar system height, ecliptic, then it's how it is the movements. So here I given the chart. Here now in previous class I explained you about the rotation of the Earth. That only one more time I am repeating you. Here this is the globe. Okay, the Earth, it moves in two different ways. Is it no? In previous class I told you. In that way, in two ways. How it is? That one I will show you. Here, this is the globe. Okay, here, this way it will. So here it is facing the sun. So sun rays is coming directly this part of the earth. Then remaining back part is not receiving the sun rays. Here it is only dark. So it means it is the night. And remaining this part whole, it is the day. When it is slowly moving this way, then slowly this part is coming this side, means slowly it will be coming noon, morning to noon, then evening, then night. Then here it will day, and back part it will become the night. So here it is day and night, it will happening by the rotation of the earth. This one I told you in previous class how it will happening. Then again here, so here what we say, this globe, it is rotating like this on its axis here to here. So it is called the rotation spring. Okay, spinner, how you are playing with the spinner, that way slowly it will moving. It is called the rotation on its axis. So here that is the main up axis. Then again one we are saying that orbit. Orbit means this is the circle. Here this way, this way, this way. Here on that it is moving, it is called the orbit. And here on that up, it is the axis. On its axis, Earth is rotating here like this. It will rotate this way slowly. Okay. Rotation of Earth is called day and night. Then revolution of Earth is called seasons. Okay, so here now today I am going to explain you about the rotation in movements of the Earth. Okay, in this lesson. Here the Earth not only move, it is not only move around its axis. Here, this I will show again one photo, again one draw here, like this. So here, this way. It is not moving on its axis. It is called the axis here and here. So here also I will show you here this way. Here to here. It not moving only on its axis slowly. Okay. But it also moves around the sun, its orbit also. Here. This is the sun. Its orbit. It will move. Here the sun. Okay. This is the sun. Its round circle, it is called the orbit. Its round earth is surrounding slowly. So it is called the rotation. The earth takes 365 1/4 day for one completing its orbit rotation. Here this way. From here to it had come again here. It will take 365 1/4 day. Okay, for 1 year. So here it completes its movement. Means from here it will start. Then slowly it will move. Day and night it will crossing like this. on its axis, then slowly, slowly this way, this way, this way, then here it will come. So when it will reach here again its place, it will take 1 year. Okay, here then, so according to that rotation, seasons also happening. Here now seasons. Second point, now I am saying the seasons. First I told you rotation. Rotation means whole it will take on its orbit. Slowly take from here it will start Earth rotating slowly. So slowly, slowly it will rotate. Day and night, day and night, day and night. Like this only it will moving here to there. Again it will it will reaching means it will take 1 year. That is called the revolution. This one over. Now seasons. So seasons. The revolution of the earth causes the changes of seasons. When revolution of this earth it will moving no, on its orbit, then seasons also changing. How it will change? Now see. So the slanting of the earth's axis, it will cause only part of this, which part is facing the sun rays. Here it will facing the sun rays. Okay. So this side have the summer. Okay. And this side is not slanting, means less sun rays are getting. So that part is not have the more hot, then it means it is the winter. Which part is directly to sun, that part is receiving the summer season. Little bit back and little bit not back, side places here and here. So these places receive the winter season. Okay, now you understood. Then again, the part which were towards, for example, here I will show you best example here. See this much part directly, middle part directly it will face the sun. So here it will getting too hot. It means this part, middle part of this receiving the summer season. Here this side and this side, little bit slope side, means slanting side. They both sides receiving the winter season. So slowly it will again moving. Then winter season will go, summer season will come. Is it not? Winter gone, summer. Because this part is before here. Now it will come here. Then sun rays are directly on this part. So this part receives the direct sun rays. So here it is the hot, means summer. Then again here it is the winter season. By this way, seasons also changing by the revolution of that earth. Here, slowly, slowly it will moving. So when the northern hemisphere, it has summer. Northern hemisphere and here southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere is facing the summer season. Then southern hemisphere it will face at the time only north hemisphere it facing the summer season. Then southern hemisphere winter season. Okay, understood? Then how slowly then again it will rotating earth. Then slowly southern hemisphere has the same. Slowly it will move in this way. Then again here southern hemisphere it is also yet same as it is. It will change its rotation according to its Earth's rotation. Here northern hemisphere has winter, then southern hemisphere has the summer season. Means slowly it will change. Okay. Then third point here, solstice and equinox. So this point here, when we know that how the earth revolution take place, slowly how it will moving on its orbit, how it started moving day and night, then it will change in the seasons also slowly. Every year the earth has special position now as that here. Every year it will change in its rotation. Okay, then on 21st June, every year the northern hemisphere it is towards to the sun. Here, northern hemisphere it is to direct to sun here. Okay, in June, 21 June. Then slowly the rays of the sun falls directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Here it's Tropic of Cancer, up it will come. So direct sun rays are coming here. Then that part is receiving the summer season. Then slowly the areas meaning that latitude receive more heat and experience the summer season here. Okay, means direct sun rays are coming. Which part? That part is experience summer season. Then again, slowly next is southern hemisphere down. When it moving this way, Earth hemisphere. Same it also happening. Here also same thing it will receive. Then on 22nd December every year, the Tropic of Capricorn receives the direct sun rays of the sun as the southern hemisphere. Then here also the sun rays fell vertically on the northern hemisphere. Sorry, southern hemisphere. So here the southern hemisphere it is also facing the same thing. So here it is summer. Okay, because slowly it will turn that earth when it rotating. Here like this it will receiving one by one sun rays. Then according to that rotation, here summer it will change in winter season. Winter season it will change in summer season. So this way the earth's position, according to the earth's position, here seasons also changing when it moving slowly on its orbit. Then again, the direct rays of the sun falls on the equator. When direct sun rays, here direct sun rays are coming on equator line. Here, middle of that, it is called the equator. So here, when sun's rays are directly coming, at that time, it receives too hot, means too much sun rays. So that place is too hot. So here, on 21st March and 23rd September, here these two equator lines changing the sun rays temperature here. Again, as a position neither to four poles of that north or south here, so it will towards the sun. As a result, the entire earth experiences the equal day and night here. So when it will move in equator lines, at that time sun rays are getting all part of the earth little bit when it taking the sun rays. Then day and night equally, not small day or night small or big like this. Equal it will pass in the time. So that condition is called an enquiannual. Okay. Then here, in short here is the movements of the earth. So earth's movement, how it is? In short, earth's movement. In earth movement, two are there: rotation and revolution. I told you in rotation and revolution. So here, rotation means earth is just rotating. It causes only day and night. But revolution means here it will moving around the sun on its orbit. Okay. Before here revolution means earth is rotating on its axis. It causes day and night. But whereas the revolution means earth is rotating on its orbit around the sun. Okay. Then here rotation it causes day and night. Revolution it causes season. Understood? Here one by one easily you can understand this point. Is it? Movements of the earth. In this chapter I explain you about the rotation. In rotation earth is moving on its axis. So it is called day and night. Okay. Then second point, that is the revolution. In revolution, here, what coming? Seasons. When the earth have revolution. How? When earth is taking around the sun on its orbit, then it causes the seasons. Summer season, winter season. So it is called the revolution of the earth. In movements of the earth, two types of the movements. One rotation. In rotation, earth rotating on its axis. So it's called day and night. Night and day. Okay. Then one more point. That is the revolution. So here in revolution, Earth when it rotating on its orbit, not in axis, just on orbit. When it moving on its orbit, then Earth slowly rotating, slowly night day, then slowly pass its orbit from here to here. It will come in means one season. Then again here to here coming means one season. Like this again it will come here means it will take 1 year on its orbit. When it will hit the revolution, it is called the 1 year. Okay, one revolution means one round of the sun on its orbit. Here is the lesson completed. Maybe I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you, children.